This is a full demonstration of the Radiansome 100 line by Insolderm. First off, it comes with 3 different cleansers. This is the oil cleanser. If you have blackheads, if you like to melt away your makeup, if you use stubborn mascara, this stuff is going to take care of it all. Just massage that in for a good minute and then rinse off. The next thing I'm going to use is the Snow Enzyme Cleanser. This is an enzymatic cleanser. It foams up like shaving cream, and you can feel it like begin to clean your pores out. It kind of tingles a little bit. It foams up, and it's safe to use on your eyes. It's safe to use everywhere. And then once it starts to fade away, then you know it's time that you can actually wash it away. I'm just using a washcloth, but you can actually just splash water on your face as well, and that works great. This prepares the skin for accepting the moisture, so don't skip out on a double cleanse. The next one I'm going to show you is an active cleanup powder. This is actually an exfoliator, and it's like little granules. You add a little bit of water, and then you mix it together, and it like kind of suds up a little bit. This works really good to use 2 to 3 times a week at the most, and it just really begins to work and clear away all those dead skin cells. But I only use it 2 to 3 times a week. I don't normally use all 3 cleansers at the same time, so keep that in mind. We're going to head into the actual Rad 100 line now. The first item is the toner. Now, I don't like to put the toner on a cotton ball. I like to just pour a little bit in my hand and tap it around. Now this is like 100% microfluidizer formula that is stable and very effective. Don't forget the backs of your hands when you're using this. Make sure that you allow these in between each step to kind of dry out. So the next one is the actual ampule. This is a serum. Now I use 2 to 3 drops is all on my face, and I just kind of spread it around. I put it on my lips, I put it on my under eyes. This will help with like age spots. It helps with firming the skin. It's really cool with the technology of this, the liposomal technology. It really makes a difference to penetrate deep into the skin. It's why you're seeing such incredible results from this line. The last step is the moisturizer. This is a really creamy moisturizer. Now keep in mind, these are all oil-based products. That's why they're used for more mature skin. I still use them. I'm 57, but I don't recommend them right out of the gate. I actually prefer people to start with the EX line. But if you have any questions about this, you know where to find me.